Chairman na wannan taro babanmu Distinguished Senator Wali Jibril, President na Miyetti Allah wani kira Fulbe, sauran manya-manyan al'ummomin Fulbe, a madadin mai girma His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar DON wazirin Adamawa, na karɓi wannan takarda na naɗa shi jagoran Fulbe Nigeria. Insha Allah zan kai shi har gida TV a mishi a kan cewa ku ne suka ba shi wannan daraja kuna da shi kuma kuna addu'a kuma Allah ya sa daga wannan fiskan bila. To dama ni a matsayina na wakilina mai karɓar wannan takarda bayan da wani dogon jawabi sai kawai ma isar da sakon Atiku a gare ku. Ko da yake baban mu chairman da wannan lokaci ya riga ya nan taɓa kan. Atiku ya ce ga muku zaɓen ba babban zaɓe wanda kuri'a ne kawai zai zama falafi don ka yana roƙon kowa da kowa gida a unit
of the signs that Atiku Abubakar will become the president of Nigeria. If you have people of this nature, this group of people, the whole Fulani in Nigeria coming to endorse somebody like Atiku, I am sure this will follow, other people will follow suit. That's why I said it's not only the Fulanis, the Igbos, the Yorubas, and all Southerners and Northerners, all of us were coming out without any difference of him coming from any other person, any other place. He is a Nigerian. And all the people that are coming to support him are Nigerians. So there's nothing wrong, and this is a sign that Atiku Abubakar will become the president of Nigeria in 2023.
Yeah, it is true. In Nigeria, we have freedom of expression. Miyetti Allah, we have different Miyetti Allahs in Nigeria. We have 3 different Miyetti Allahs that are registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. We have Miyetti Allah cattle breeders. We have Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore. We have Miyetti Allah Walidera. The other one that endorsed the other candidate is their own opinion. And we believe they do it within their own party, their own membership. But this Miyetti Allah, as you can see, is Miyetti Allah Walidera Fulani Initiative for Peace and Orientation. Is the only peaceful, that's Miyetti Allah that is for peace and orientation of Fulani people. And our own has to do with all the traditional leadership, rural leadership of the Fulani people in Nigeria. If you look at the congregation here, it's not just hired crowd. It's genuine Fulani people from the rural area, from the villages, from the bushes. So we come to tell our own. We don't mind their own. We are on our own. This is our own position as Fulani people in Nigeria. We are for Atiku, 100% for Atiku, 100% for the PDP as far as presidential election is concerned. We stand for Atiku 100%. And all the Fulani in Nigeria, they stand for Atiku.
What's your strength? What can you pull out?
Yeah, we can pull out more than 55 million Nigerians. Yes, electoral, that is voters, those that have PVC. Because As you can know, Fulani is among the largest ethnic nationality in Nigeria. So, and we have made our contact from our level as the national leadership. We make down to the police unit level. We have state coordinators, local government coordinators, ward coordinators, and police unit coordinators. We are doing house-to-house, Ruga-to-Ruga campaign for Atiku. And as you see it yourself as a journalist, you are a witness that this crowd are real Fulani people from the rural area. We selected representatives from every state. More than 2 million people wanted to come to Abuja, but we are begged by Atiku, please, he doesn't want to cause any high tension. He knows that we are for him. So that's why we selected representative. Yeah, we appointed Atiku because we know his antecedents, his track record, how during his leadership as a vice president, the highest political ranking position in the north at that time, we know how Nigeria was peaceful. Nigeria was peaceful everywhere. Today, we as the Fulani people, we are very, very much challenged because, we are suffering from a kind of so many blames and so many names, they are calling us. So as peaceful people, we think we should work with a unifier, somebody who take Nigeria as one. He has never in one or anywhere make a statement that is for the North alone. Never has he ever said he is for the Hausa or Fulani alone. If you look at from his family, he married Igbo, he married Hausa, he married Fulani, he married Yoruba. What do you want again? Atiku is the unifier. There is nobody better capable to rule Nigeria like Atiku. Nobody. Because he has shown it from his own family. You cannot reject your own children. Can you? Can you reject your in-laws? No. He has children with the Igbos. He has children with the Yorubas. He has with the Hausas. Even Kanuri. He has with the Fulani. He's a Fulani man himself. So being that he is the only man that have displayed a national political, nature, we feel we should rally around him to make Nigeria peaceful once again.
We take pride in the invitation extended to the presidential candidate of the PDP, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to come here for the endorsement. And the endorsement had been granted by genuine representatives of the rural Fulanis, the Ardos. These are the Fulanis that are genuine ones. They are the most peaceful Fulanis. They are not the type of Fulanis that harass people in all parts that were now struggling. And this endorsement was done through the Sarkin Fulani of Nasarawa, Senator Wali Jibri, because the process itself, the honor and the method of presentation is something that made me to feel extremely proud that I represent the Waziri Adamawa today in accepting the endorsement and the honor. Many of you may not even know the meaning of the decoration that was granted, that is Jagorlo Fulbe. Jagorlo is the only title that I can say that looked like it was the Yoruba Basharon. This is a great fighter, a leader, somebody that is up there for masses looking for whatever protection from him. So that is the title and the endorsement that was given to him. And I'm very, very happy that it has been done. And especially today, when Atiku himself is in Rivers State going to Abia State, where he's expected also to do the feat of trying to reconcile with his erstwhile friend or our adversaries in that part of the country. And this is giving us very, very good hope that the whole country is moving towards him, because people, the Fulani, have seen in him. Some few days ago, even the two people seen in him, and we know his kinsmen, his in-laws in the west and the east have already seen in him that he is the person that is probably that will give Nigeria the type of leadership that we all require to have peace, to live together, and then for us to work for the progress of ourselves and our children and grandchildren to come.
I'm calling for even TB people, let all come together and vote for Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar is not only for Fulanis. He's not going to work only for Fulanis. He's going to work for all Nigerians. So all of us must come together and show the good example of our people who are here. Very soon, I have been told that I'm also going to chair an occasion on some tribes in Nassau State. And when they call me, when Ego call me, when Mada call me, call other tribe in Nasarawa, when they call me, I'll also be the chairman of that occasion because of Atiku Abubakar. So finally, I want to thank everybody that is here with us today. There's a campaign which will end in 2 weeks' time. That Atiku Abubakar, the member of Senate, member of House of Rep, are also going to be voted on the 25th of February 2023. So without wasting of your time, I want to thank you for coming here. And I think before we leave, before we win, I want all of us to come with the Mukenan, Mutashi, Mutaka Hanu, Sabuda, Atiku Abubakar. Atiku. 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 Manjiva. Atiku. Mungoje. Assalamu alaikum.
PDP, Nigeria, Nigeria, Abuja sai fili a tuta insha Allah. To, na gode ma Allah, kuma na farin ciki yande
ne aikin sun tsiya. Ga mata nan iyayenmu za su gaya mana. Idan kuka ya haɗu da ɗan uwansa sun mannu, sun haɗa dankon zumunci, me ake amfani da sha watsa su? Tsuntsiya ne. Suna da tsuntsiyan da za su jefa cikin kukunan zuwa masar da sun murda duk kukan na ya watsa. Ashe duk inda ka sa wa abu suna tsuntsiya, to ka tabbata wannan abun zai watsar da komai. Ka tabbata kaman addu'a ne kai. Wannan ina kira ga iyayenmu da 'yan uwanmu da suke nan gaba ɗaya manyan baƙi, mu sanar da al'ummarmu ko shi shugabanmu jagoran tafiya nan turaki wanda kowa ya san shi da zaman lafiya da jajircewa da nufi mai kyau ga al'umma, ko shi inda ƙarƙashin sun siyan nan wallahi ba abin da zai iya yi sai mun shiga yanayin nan, domin shi ne kawai manan sun siya. Nan in ka sa sun siya ka zai da shi a nan ka ce bismillah sun siya, zai share kowa a nan. To ga waɗanda ba sa jin Hausa, kombiyan mi haɗo burɗi ɗum kanƴum waddani sababin gontirɗen ɗo fuu na yimɓe wonɓe nder burɗi man on and gave it power, brooms. I will ask every one of us, when we go back home, consult our elders, our ulamas, our pastors, that if you name something with a particular thing, is that thing not going to reflect in the course of activities, its name, it will reflect. Therefore, even if it is Wazirin Adama that is going to be the president under these rooms, we may find ourselves in the same situation. For comparative purposes, idan aka ce abu laima, menene ma'anar laima? Inuwa. Kuma kowa yana gudu zuwa ga inuwa. Ashe idan ka ce nan laima ne, inuwa ne, to duk mai hankali ya san cewa sai albarka ya zo karkashin laima da inuwan nan. Don duk abin da ka sani a duniya da lahira neman inuwa yake yi. To wannan abin da ke so in gaya mana kenan dan Allah, a gaya mutane in dai sun tsiya ne to za ta ci gaba da share mu ne. Dan uwanmu ne yake sun tsiyan nan ba kokarin da baya yi, amma sun tsiyan nan sai share kowa yake yi. Yau babu zaman lafiya gabas, babu kudu, babu arewa, babu yamma, wallahi duk sharin sun tsiya ne. Yau kafin su saukan nan da za su canja sunan sun tsiyan nan su roƙi Allah ya taimaka sai abun ya dan
jama'a ku amince a cikin da wata hukunta Najeriya jama'a hukunta wannan a cikin wanda ya hukunta Najeriya Ogani
siyasa cikin gonan kufa da wannan suka
wannan shi ne certificate wanda muka ba Atiku a police a matsayin jagon hukumar Najeriya daga yau Atiku ya zama jagon hukumar Najeriya na ƙungiyar zaman lafiya na Miyetti Allah wata kira Fulani Initiative for Peace and Organization. Domin dama Atiku baya ne mai tattalin zaman lafiya ne mun tabbata daga yadda ƙungiyar zuwa
Dr. Zakaria. After this one now is Zahiru.